The tarot has a reputation for being mysterious, and some cards, especially in the major arcana, are often feared when they appear in a reading. But here's the thing. The most feared cards are some of the best, when you dig deeper into their meanings. Here are the top 5 most feared major arcana cards, and why they're great omens in disguise. 1. The Tower 16. Why it's feared. The Tower looks like pure chaos, lightning, fire, people falling from a crumbling structure. It screams destruction, upheaval, and sudden change. Many associate it with unexpected disasters. Why it's great. The Tower is a divine reset button. It removes what isn't working so something better can take its place. If your foundation is weak, wouldn't you rather rebuild it properly than live in a house ready to collapse? The Tower is about truth, breakthroughs, and liberation. What's meant for you will never be built on shaky ground. Good omen. Expect a dramatic awakening. Something fake is crumbling so you can rebuild authentically. 2. Death 13. Why it's feared. People take it literally. They panic and think it means actual death. It's associated with endings, loss, and grief. Why it's great. The Death card is not about physical death, it's about transformation. It marks the end of one phase and the beginning of something new. It's the cocoon stage before the butterfly emerges. Without endings, there can be no beginnings. Good omen means shedding the old you and stepping into a better, more complementary version of yourself. Out with the toxic, in with the transcendent. 3. The Devil 15. Why it's feared. The devil is associated with temptation, addiction, control, and toxic patterns. It suggests being stuck or manipulated. Why it's great. The devil exposes what has power over you, whether it's a mindset, habit, relationship, or fear. Awareness is the first step to breaking free. The chains on the figures in the card are loose, meaning you're only as trapped as you believe you are. Good omen. You're about to see through illusions and reclaim your power. It's time to break free from whatever holds you back. The Hanged Man 12. Why it's feared. It represents stagnation, sacrifice, and feeling stuck. No one likes being forced to wait or see things differently. Why it's great. The Hanged Man is the ultimate spiritual perspective shift. It's about surrendering to the flow of life instead of forcing things. When you stop resisting, the right path becomes clear. Good omen. This card signals a breakthrough is coming. You need to pause, reflect, and shift your view before it arrives. 5. The Moon 18. Why it's feared. It symbolizes confusion, deception, and fear of the unknown. The path ahead seems murky, and things aren't as they appear. Why it's great. The moon teaches you to trust your intuition. Even in the dark, you have an inner light guiding you. This card brings deep subconscious healing and hidden truths. Good omen. A time of spiritual insight and clarity is coming. The fog will lift, and you'll see the truth. Final thought. The most feared cards are the best growth cards in the deck. They don't sugarcoat the journey, they push you to evolve. True power comes from facing transformation head-on, knowing that something better is on the other side. So next time you pull the Tower, Death, the Devil, the Hanged Man, or the Moon, smile because life is about to shift profoundly and magically.